Hey everyone, today's video was a request by Lynn about self-care. So today I'm going to be sharing ideas with you for using your planner for self-care. The first idea is to use a balanced life wheel to assess and enhance your satisfaction and fulfillment in different areas of your life. So basically you would draw this wheel and then kind of rank yourself from 1 to 10 on how you're doing in that area of life. So it's kind of like a self-audit. And that can help with self-care because you are making sure that your life is balanced in each of the areas. So let's talk about daily mental health strategies. So the first one is kind of scheduling in to your planner to have morning mindfulness practice. So this would include starting your day or reserving about 5 to 10 minutes each morning to either meditate or do some sort of deep breathing exercise to help set a positive tone for the day. And you could write that into your planner and schedule it. You could write down positive affirmations into your planner every single day. You could create a section in each day of your planner for a positive affirmation. So you can write down things like, I am capable of handling any challenges that come my way. You can also do an emotional check-in. I've mentioned the possibility of having like a mood tracker in your planner before, but this would take that even a step further. So you're tracking your mood throughout your day. You're noting when you feel happy, anxious, angry, stressed, content. And then you could do like a monthly check-in and kind of see if you can identify patterns and triggers for certain emotions, because you're writing it down in your planner next to what you're doing at that moment. And then maybe through those monthly check-ins, you can identify how to reduce your stress. Something else you could use your planner for is a daily self-care tracker. So it's kind of like a habit tracker, but it focuses on daily self-care activities. Maybe that's reading, exercising, meditating, taking a walk in nature, and journaling, spending time outdoors. And then you can check off those activities as you complete them. Another idea is to add it into your weekly routine to schedule social activities or phone calls with loved ones. It's really important to, prioritize meaningful connections with others. So maybe you want to set a goal that you're gonna have a certain number of, interactions with others every single week. And on the same note, you could schedule in specific times each week to work on something creative that you enjoy. Maybe like drawing, painting, writing, or crafting. You could have a specific time block in your week where you are focusing on that creative activity. I hope that you got some ideas from this video. To see more ideas on using your planner for self-care, check out this video next, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!